It's Tuesday, May 19th, 2015. Let's hit the ground running. My name's Dez here at Grok Trade. I'll be your host for the next few minutes. Here taking a look at tradingview.com. This is the software that I'm using. Some people have been asking here. The S&P break even, the Dow up a fraction, Nasdaq down a bit, Russell's down a bit, but the bank's up yet again, up 0.76%. The banks are very, very strong. So it gives me bullish sentiment or bullish support to what's happening in other major indices. Big sell-off here in precious metals, gold off by 1.4%, and silver off by 3%. Big sell-off here in silver. And taking a look here at the S&P 500, we had this triangle. We broke out of the triangle. We go higher here, and we get a kind of an evening star reversal pattern or a spinning top. So if we make a new lower low tomorrow, we could pull back. If we can pull back here next few days to this support level, I'd be looking to go long. But if you notice, we're going higher on decreasing volume, so I'm not overly bullish in this environment. Matter of fact, I remain flat in this environment, but I'm looking to go long, but I need this to pull back or build a base for me to do so. So I could be sitting on my hands for a few more days here. You might find me in the chat room, the Grokstar chat room, trading, just because you still got to pay the bills. So I like to make it one way or the other, either swing trading or day trading. Take a look here at the Dow. And today we actually broke above that resistance point, which is good to see. We do have an evening star, an evening doji, and that could be a reversal pattern, and we could start heading south. The Nasdaq here has not reached resistance areas and shown a little slowing and decreasing in volume. I mean, we're really poised to start dropping here. Small caps, nice bear pullback, and looking here for this to drop or build a high base. I'm thinking we have a good chance of building a high base just because the banks remain solid. I mean, look at this. Boom, 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 boom. You know what I'm going to do is I'm going to extend this line from those two swings to see if that will play as a resistance point. But it's broke through all sorts of resistance, and we keep going higher, which is a very good sign. When you got financials showing such strength out there in the markets. And here we're going to take a look at tech stocks. And Bavo's up 1.3%, building a high base, and I am going to set an alert here. And I do like that alert at 89.58. If that thing breaks out, I may want to trade that to the long side. I had a couple trigger today. This one, CBRL, this is Cracker Barrel. We had an alert to buy. I decided not to because the volume just wasn't strong enough for me. Camp also triggered. Just looking for a camp to trade here. Volume still a little light, so I just didn't want to commit to those two trades there. But I do want to go back, take a look at some tech stocks. GoPro was up 1.4%, but there again, I don't want any part of that. LinkedIn was down 2%, and this one here, I have an order in, but I think this one is a buy. I think we are putting in a bottom, and this thing is ready to go. Matter of fact, I almost entered the trade today on this red candlestick. But I think we could get another gap down and a run up, but we'll see on LinkedIn. But that's certainly something I'm watching also. And Twitter was up 0.5%, but this is just either a rounding bottom or frying pan bottom, or it's going to be a low base formation. So you really don't know until it makes this move one direction or the other. We did have a nice spike in volume today, but a lot of that bullish candlestick was bearish because of that upper shadow. Anyway, that's where we're at. Stay very close to us here in the markets. A lot going on. Some big moves could be happening, and we'll keep you abreast to the very latest in technical analysis and what's happening out there in Wall Street. Share this with a friend. Hit the share button down below. And if you like it, like it.